Imagine this, you have just arrived at your place and you were totally tired, and then you decide to turn on your TV and enjoy your favorite shows. Now you totally love these shows, and after a tiring day, you couldn't ask for anything more, but how about this? You can make money watching these shows that you love. Yes, my friend, this is absolutely possible, and before I tell you how, just a friendly reminder about the huge giveaway on this channel. You can win a MacBook Pro, an iPhone XR, a PS5, or $1,000. All you have to do is leave a like, comment the keyword hidden in the video, make sure you are subscribed to this channel, and remember to watch the entire video. Doing this won't just help you make more money online, but also ridiculously spike your chances of winning this giveaway. Now that you know that and you've already liked the video, let's begin. So in today's video, I will show you how you can get paid around $300 per hour just to watch TV shows and some videos using 3 websites. Using this strategy, you can start making that extra side income by simply watching a few videos. This strategy is completely free and beginner friendly. So if you are someone who is starting from scratch, you can easily earn decent money using this strategy. Also, you can use this strategy from anywhere in the world. All you need is a device. It can be a laptop, desktop, or even a mobile to make this work. If that sounds cool, then I am the executive, and for more such free and easy online money-making videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss another update from this channel. Now without any delay, let's get into it. So before I tell you the top 3 websites that you will need to make $300 per day, take a look at this. This right here is the payment that I received on my PayPal account using this strategy that I will tell you about. Now the results are not typical. You might earn even more than what I have made, but that won't be possible if you don't watch the whole video to the end. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video, as I will be also showing you a few small tips that you can use to earn more profits by using this strategy to its full potential and without leaving any money behind. So now I will be showing you the 3 websites that you can use to make that money. So the first website that I need you to head over to is called Ucubes, which you will find at ucubes.com. This website has paid over $20,000 in cash to their users on a daily recurring basis, and I will show you how you can make the most out of this site. The first thing you have to do after you log on to this webpage is click on sign up. After that, you will have to enter some details like your name, address, select the password, select your age, and some other details. Once you are done with the login, they will send you an email for verification, and when you click on that, it will take you to the dashboard. Now before I show you the rest, this here is the Twitter account of Ucubes, and you can see that this website is legit and they pay their users and their active members regularly. Heading back, whenever you log into the website, that is what your dashboard will look like this. You have a bunch of videos to be viewed from AdSend Media, KiwiWall, and such. Now you can start earning by watching these videos. All you have to do is select any one of these offers by clicking on Earn Money Now. But what you will do is click on the Earn section here, and a bunch of different offer wall options will appear. Now personally, I have seen that OfferToro offer wall pays you the most money, so select that and you can start watching videos to earn your money. This was the first website that we used to date. Remember that this website is the lowest paying one, so you can get started here. Now let's talk about the next website that will help you earn even more money than the previous website. This website is called Fusion Cash, which you will find over at fusioncash.net. When you log on to this website, you will see that Fusion Cash is already providing you with $5 if you sign up. So that's $5 already in your pocket, and they have different offers like these popping up every day, so you can earn extra cash there. But if you sign up for this website and then log in, you can check your dashboard right here. Click on videos and you can get paid for watching all these videos. These videos are 30 seconds to 1 minute long, and you don't even have to watch them. You can just open them in a separate browser and keep the video playing while you are doing some other stuff of yours. So it takes none of your time, and you can focus all your attention on watching your favorite TV show or completing work or anything that you can possibly think of, which is the best thing about this. And you don't actually have to watch the video. You can just let the video play in the background and still get paid. Now you can see that you would get all these offers with less pay, but what I want you to do is scroll all the way down. As you can see that there is this offer that pays you 420 cents for watching videos on Hulu if you already have Hulu. Then you will get paid just for having it, and Hulu is a very popular streaming service. You can watch your favorite shows, explore a variety of new movies or web series. So whenever you sit on your couch after a tiring day and log into Hulu to watch your favorite show, Instead of the streaming service getting paid alone, you will also be making money. So that is one way of making money using Fusion Cash, but if you don't have a Hulu account, you can watch all their other videos and still get paid. These videos are 1 minute long, and you don't even have to watch these videos. All you need to do is open them in a separate browser and let them play while you make money. So this was the second website that you can use to make money by watching videos. Now I will show you the highest paying website, the website that will help you earn more than the two previously mentioned websites. But before that, if you haven't already liked the video, make sure you leave a like on this video and share this video with your friends, as it helps me with the algorithm and encourages me to make more online money making videos for you. Moving on. The third app that we will be talking about is Irazoo, which you can find at irazoo.com. Now you can see that these guys have already paid nearly $120 million to their members, and the numbers keep on increasing. So this is by far the highest paying website that will pay you to watch videos, and they have some other ways using this which you can make money, as this site is the highest paying. Now, this site has been seen on Yahoo, CNN, Crazy Coupon Lady, Wall Street Journal, and many big media outlets, so this is a very reputable and a legit website to start earning quick money online. Now let's check out their website. They have the How This Works section. Let's read that first. Score free cash or gift cards by completing an easy task, so they will also pay with gift cards. You can share your opinions, play the latest games, or watch entertaining videos to earn points. You get paid weekly by this website, and once I log in, I will show you how much people earn and the top earners on this website. So the first thing you have to do using this website is enter your email here, and you will get 100 points after you sign up. If we check the reviews here, there are a lot of positive feedbacks from the people, and some of these people have been members since a long time. Now, to sign up, click on join, enter your email address and some details, and after creating an account on Irazoo, it will take you to this dashboard, and right here I clicked on top users, and as you can see, there are people on this website that are earning thousands of points, taking advantage of this site and earning as much money as they can. These points are updated every hour. Now, you are going to go over here to watch videos, and as you can see that they have videos from all the different categories. So if you want to watch tech videos, you got them. If you want to watch comedy videos, you got that too. And you will earn money watching these videos. Now another interesting way to earn from this site is by playing games, so I'll click on that. Now you can see that they have a variety of games like Sudoku, Solitaire, Mahjong, and so much more. Using this site, you can earn money by watching videos as well as playing games as well. So these were the three sites that you can use to make money while watching videos. Now if you want to know how I made money by simply watching YouTube videos, I'll link this video right here and make sure you give it a watch. Tell me in the comments below how you will be using this extra cash you earn using this strategy. Also, did you find the hidden word? If yes, then make sure you enter it in the comment section and follow the given steps to win the giveaway. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video, and that's it for now.